The Northern Mindanao volleyball team almost didn't make it to the Palarong Pambansa this year. More than half of the 12-member team were victims of Tropical Storm Sendong, which struck again De Oro and Iligan in December 2011. At least 800 people died from Sendong. Thousands of families were displaced. 16-year-old spiker Renz Enerio watches on the sidelines as his team battles it out against Caraga Region, their first game. Enerio lost his mom, Emelita, to Sendong. A former team member and Palaro veteran, Lloyd Damalan, is one of 400 who remain missing. The team's coach is himself a Sendong survivor. Unlike Enerio, Alex Adeva is grateful he only lost things he owned to the flood. But Alex was not sure he could gather his players together for training. After the flood, Enorio was not even sure he could join Palaro.
Kaya patuloy ako naglaro kasi sabi ng ate ko, huwag na ako maglaro dito kasi ako. Para rin yun sa kinabukasan ko kasi may scholarship akong makukuha pag sumama ako dito sa Palarong Pambansa. Kaya sumama ako. Kaya
Inisa-isa ko sila, lalo na yung si Renz kasi nawala yung mama niya. Sabi na, sir, kung biktima kami, din mawala pa kami. Love din namin ang volleyball eh. So, kung hindi mo kami palaruin, so parang mas lalong biktima kami.
Taking off from the determination of the players, the team trained hard for more than a month.
Pag wala sigurong sports, hindi namin alam kung saan kami mapunta. Kasi nakita mo yung ibang biktima, wala talaga. Doon kung makapunta ka sa Cagayan de Oro, parang wala na sila. Parang end of the world sa kanila eh.
Enerio says he has recovered from the tragedy largely due to his non-stop training for the Palaro.
hindi ko na iniisip yung trahedya kasi tapos na yun eh. Wala na eh. Kaya wala na tayong magagawa, hindi na natin may babalik. Kaya yun lang, patuloy yung recovery. Tsaka hindi ko na yun iniinda yung sakit. Na pag naglalaro na o before maglaro, parang sinasabi ko nga, para sa ito,
Region 10 will face tough opponents Central Visayas and Calabarzon for the eliminations. But against all the odds, they are keeping their eye on the goal to land in the top 3. For now, they conquer Caraga, winning them over in 2 sets. Not bad for a team still in mourning.
We are Sendong victims pero ipakita namin sa buong mundo na bumangon kami. Kaya namin to.
But more than competing and rising above adversity, Region 10 wants to say thank you to the world for helping them through the tragedy. Thank you. David Santos, Rappler, Pangasinan.